Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 7T, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and from there scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select, where is it? Oh, there we go, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and then erase all data. It gives you a quick message: permanently clear all data. Your phone will be reset to factory settings. We're going to click on clear. Permanently clear all data. All data will be permanently cleared. This operation cannot be undone. Obviously, if you have anything on your phone that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. I don't, so I'm just going to select clear. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, chances are for you it prompted you to also confirm your screen lock if you have one set, but because I don't have any kind of screen lock, it just automatically jumps to resetting the device. And when it does so, this process will take approximately 2 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.